World White Cane Day or White Cane Safety Day has been celebrated every year on 15th October to honor the will and achievements of the visually impaired even in the face of adversities. Across the globe, there are about 2.2 million people with visual impairment, and their condition has often caused physical and social barriers. In Shillong, the Blind Lead Trust had organized a program to mark World White Cane Day celebration. A rally led by co-founder and director of the trust, Jitendra Dakhar, which started at Malki Football Ground and culminated at the All Saints Cathedral Hall on 15th October morning, was followed by a formal program in the afternoon at the place of culmination. Speaking at the function, Jitendra Dakhar said that there have been times when the blind and visually impaired had been sidelined by the general public. He informed that even while boarding public vehicles, there is no pardon for fares except for a few, even as the rule says that the same should not be charged from the visually impaired or differently abled persons. Dakhar also said that most people do not respect the white cane or those with problems of sight, as they would often be left out or not even given preference as qualified individuals as far as job vacancies and recruitments are concerned.
Ngi katkum kiba ngitip ba kim jus de ban siu bai kali te don kiba sngot kim sim don ru kiba don kiba sngot kim sim ranga mudo te don kiba sngot pade ki ong bai ba em ba dei ban siu bai te kiba bon hi long kim klempen siu ra te long kumta te kitu ki bos private ki aka te kitu ki sim hi lada ki sim bai hi kumto bon ka ki sim hi kat kum kador kalong bai hi kat kum ka jaka nano jaka election no jaka ya ka jing nyau ben hi te kan ka babon hi ngila bandong ba kadang don hi te kidon pat ki baburom kidon pat ki bamburom lada ngi menta lada ngi lek sarkar ban lek ban apil kano no banta ta banwan hang tu te kila ban pediang mo kinam khang ra ka jing khang tang ba ka proses pada kalong kumbakim khin snap hi long kata ka ke ka bak nga experience kum tau no ilam jong ne ka sang ba ngi se lap ya kata ba kebun hi ba kim khin snap kalong ngi persang ban ai ka no ka jing ai jing mot lo ne persang ban ai ka no ka ba jing bit khnang ban bit ban biang mo nam ta jong ngi ba kan long very accessible nam ta jongi visually impaired tenre ladangi phai sa kataru hajla mi khalia jongi kadang duna ba.
At a formal function held at the All Saints Hall, the Senior Secretary of the Bible Society of India Shillong Auxiliary, Reverend Fidelis Dakhar, said that it is a fact that the demands of those with problems of sight and the differently abled have been ignored not just by the masses but also by various organizations and the civil administration of the state. Reverend P. Dakhar added that the Bible Society of India has been lending whatever support it can to the cause of the visually impaired, and on the occasion of World White Cane Day, the society has once again donated 40 white canes and other accessories through the Blind Lead Trust to the visually impaired.
Kuma phiu I ya ka jinglong jingman ya ka jing trekam ka jong ki paralog ki be ki jongi ki ba ki bomla ban I ki ba don jing tuna ki khotmet ki ba de ki khmat ki jong ki but yo I habangi ngap habangi kren mat ki ngyo snow ya ka jing sitom ki jong ki namar ka jing bom yarap ka jing bom phai khmat jong ki breu simet ki ba don ki ba kot ki ba yo ki ba em nata jong ki balang nata khantam na ka portion sha na ka district na ka state ke jongiru ba ki la prasang ka bala But next camp I was going to sneak along awareness nam ta jopi but wa kitu baro ki ba yo I ken tip ki don kam ya ken ke jingara nam ta ki sang ki jo ki mar ki tip ang ba ngi ju tre lang bat ka Bethany society ru abang kli nei kong bertha ki ong ba tang ki bala nang ban puli rikasi jantia jongi ki don kuma sans pa ngut e ki bala nang ban puli ting ba ka bril ta den marta ta ka jingara pu jo I ni na kaliang Bible society ila penni ki Bible khasi ka bril ki phareng ru ki don ki garung ki don ka bril na tangil ai ke jingerap ke mega voice ke audio bible ku masis pa nyo potli ya ke bomla banyu i na ta kini ki white cane ru ku mangira khimta la de ki spa telingil ai bat mata ka sngir na liang bible saiti yiwanra sau potli pat kita galong ka ba ka jingerap ka ba rit ke jongi pat mata gidang pan seki slate satu stylus ban tho iki slate ki jong tiru pat kat ka bangila ni ai ki jingerap panila penmi wat ka kalendar pocket kalendar bat wall kalendar ha ting kasiru na kaliang ka bible saiti